the most common questions that I get when people hop on my discovery calls or when I'm talking to them is, why is my YouTube channel not making money? Or I thought my YouTube channel will be making more money by now, or something to that effect. And usually I can point out the exact reason why. FYI, it's usually the same exact things. So today I'm going to be going over the most common reasons your YouTube channel is not making the money that you want it to, and also how to fix it. If you're new here, by the way, hi, my name is Catara Lane. I am a video editor and a YouTube strategist, and I help business owners build a personal brand so they can make more sales. So, number one reason is you don't have a money-making plan for your channel. So you're not sure if you want to do services and products, you're not sure if you want to be just a creator, so that makes the direction of your channel very unclear. And this is a problem because most creators and business owners have two separate different ways of operating on YouTube. And not to say that no creators make money, because I have met a lot who are, but the creators who are very successful on YouTube, they have a clear money making plan on how they're going to do that. And with business owners as well, they have a clear reason why they're getting on YouTube, and that's usually to generate more sales, leads, or whatever into their business. So the reason number two is your content is all over the place and you are chasing views rather than doing content that your audience is actually interested in. So this kind of goes back to number one, and with having no monetization plan in place, and you're basically just throwing spaghetti at the wall and hoping that something sticks. Now, there is nothing wrong with this if you are truly just on the platform to have fun, but if you're looking to monetize your YouTube channel, whether that through services, products, and other means, you're going to have a clear strategy in place. So ask yourself these three questions. How are you going to start making money from your channel? Who are you talking to, and what problems are you having? And that will help you to guide your content. Number three is you do not mention your services, your products, or your offerings at all. Therefore, no one knows that they can get anything from you. So if you're a business owner here on YouTube, why are you not promoting your services and your products? If that's the reason why you're here. People can't buy what they don't know exists, and I find that a lot of reasons why business owners don't promote as much as they could be on YouTube is they think sort of like the same rules as apply to them that the creators follow. So some of the call to actions in their videos might be like, subscribe, or something to the effect of that. When you can switch those up a little bit, you know, tell them to either book a call or head over to your website or join a workshop. You know, business owner call to actions are very different from the ones that creators use. On top of that, I also find that they usually have a fear of being like super salesy, which is fine. But I also think that, you know, there is a balance between being super salesy and then just letting people know what you have organically. So if you're not sure where to draw the line at with that, I usually say that you could do one soft pitch, maybe like in the beginning of the video, or, you know, somewhere in the middle, just being like, you know, by the way, I do have this freebie that you can download. That's soft pitch. And then one hard pitch. So, you know, if you're looking for help with, you know, whatever that is, then, you know, you can go ahead and click the link in my bio, or, you know, you can go more in detail up until maybe like 30 seconds to a minute about your offer. And that's a hard pitch, but I'd wait till the end of the video to do that. The fourth reason is basically that your description is not filled out the right way. Now, YouTube gives you so many different ways to be able to promote your links and, you know, be able to take people off the platform. But what I find is people are usually not linking it right, or, you know, they don't link them at all, or they put them all in one place and forget about the others. So there's a few places on your channel where you can put these links. One is on your channel's homepage, another is under your videos and the upload description box. Another place is you can pin a link in your comments, and another place is you can share your links on the community tab. So that's like 4 to 5 different ways where you can actually link your stuff, and you don't have to just put it all in one place. The fifth reason is you think that having a bigger audience on YouTube converts to you actually making more. And although that is the case for some people, it's not the case for all. I remember I got on a call with someone who had almost 100,000 subscribers, but she hadn't posted in quite a while. So she was thinking, you know, I have all these subscribers, you know, I'm not getting any views on my channel, and I'm not making a lot on AdSense. So, you know, I would like to make more from this to make it worth it for me to actually post videos. The reason why she wasn't making like a lot of ad revenue is actually because she had took a very long break, and then when she got back to the channel, she was expecting her subscribers to kind of still be there and expecting them to sort of still be active. And she was expecting her channel to just sort of like, you know, rev up and for it to be kind of like how she left it. When in reality, that's not really how it works. If you ghost your channel, then you have to kind of face up to the fact that, you know, when you get back, the subscribers who were once active on your channel, they may not be there. They may have found another creator who does something similar in your space. They may not get your content recommended in their feed anymore because, you know, YouTube saw that you weren't consistent. There's a range of different factors on why that big audience that you have is not making money, including the ones that I named before that. But if it's strictly from ad revenue, your consistency and how you show up on YouTube is definitely one of those factors. And on top of that, what a lot of people don't talk about is once you get monetized, your audience size doesn't really matter. So when you're trying to get monetized, you're trying to get those 1,000 subscribers, you're trying to get those 4,000 watch time hours. But after you get monetized, what really matters is how many views that you have. So how many views you have, how long did they watch, you know, did they click on the ads or did they watch the ads all the way through? That's what really matters after you sort of get monetized. So yeah, if you're looking to make more sales from your YouTube channel, or if you're looking to get a strategy in place to make money from off your YouTube channel, definitely click the link below to book a call and we can figure out what's holding you back.